Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to start with something very exciting, the prompt engineering. That's just a fancy word for learning how to talk to ChatGPT so it understands us properly and gives us the best answers. Let me ask you first, if you go to your friend and just say, "Help me," what do you think your friend will say? They'll be confused. But if you say, "Help me write a birthday card," your friend knows exactly what to do. ChatGPT is the same. The way you ask is called a prompt. So, what is prompt engineering? The prompt engineering means asking in the right way. A prompt is just the question or instruction you give to ChatGPT. And why does it matter? Because if you ask vaguely, ChatGPT may not know what you mean. But if you ask clearly, it can help you write, explain, solve, or even create ideas. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about dogs," say, "Tell me 3 fun facts about dogs." All right, let's practice. How to write clear prompts. Why? Because clear prompts is equal to better answers. Be specific. Don't say, "Tell me about books." Instead, say, "Tell me about the book Harry Potter." Keep it short and simple. Use easy words. I'll give some examples. Instead of saying, "Write something about travel," say, "Write a short paragraph about my trip to Paris." Here's something fun. You can ask ChatGPT in different styles. Ask questions, "What is the capital of France?" Or give instructions, "Write a short story about a cat." Or ask for lists or ideas, "Give me 5 ideas for a birthday party." So there are some easy examples you can try. Let's practice real-life prompts. Writing a birthday message. Write a happy birthday message for my friend Sarah. There are some common mistakes and how to fix them. Sometimes prompts don't work. Why? Let's see. Mistake number 1. Being too vague. If you write, "Tell me about cars," then ChatGPT doesn't know what kind. The better way is, "Tell me about electric cars and how they work." Mistake number 2. Asking too many things at once. "Tell me about dogs and cats and also give me a recipe." Mistake number 3. Using complicated prompts. Keep it short and simple. Mistake number 4. Expecting it to know everything. So always double-check facts. There are some tips for better results. Now the secret tips is: be clear and simple. Try different ways if the first answer isn't good. Ask for examples. Use polite commands like, "Please list 5 foods." Break big questions into small ones. Use formatting like, "Ask for lists, bullet points, or short steps." So, practice together. Where to practice and learn more? Where do you practice? On the ChatGPT website or app. Try one new prompt every day, a fun fact, a recipe, or homework help. If you don't like the answer, ask again in a different way. If you want to go deeper, watch YouTube tutorials. Visit blogs like promptingwide.ai. Join communities like Reddit groups. Final tip is practice. That's the best way to get good. And well done, everyone. You've now learned the basics of prompt engineering. Today you learned how to write clear prompts, different ways to ask, mistakes to avoid, tips to get better answers. From now on, every time you ask ChatGPT something, think, "Is my prompt clear, simple, and specific?" The more you practice, the better you'll get.